Hi there, I'm Roland Hamilton with Optoma's Technical Sales Department. Welcome to the ISTELive 2024 booth, where we're here showing off 3 of the display technologies that we provide. If you don't know Optoma, we're a large format display solution provider. So we provide interactive panel solutions, projector solutions, non-interactive professional displays, as well as some direct view LED solutions. This is our 3rd generation 5 series Creative Touch interactive display. This is an EDLA certified board, so it comes preloaded with the Google Play Store. You can download any of the millions of applications that are available on the Play Store. It also features an 8 microphone array. We've got the accessory camera connected. You can sign into your Google account via a QR code on the home screen or using the NFC card reader in the optional accessory box. The main benefits of this solution are flexibility, ease of use, and powerful software tools. Flexibility in the sense that you've got the built-in Android operating system, so just give the board powered internet and there's a whole world of possibilities you can open up. You can also connect your external computers. We're plug and play compatible with Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, as well as Linux. And we also sell an i5 and an i7 card slot PC, basically turning the board into a giant Windows 10 or Windows 11 all-in-one. Over here, we're showing our ZU920 TST. This is a 9800 lumen short throw projector. It's really unique because even a few years ago, a 9800 lumen projector was only available in an interchangeable lens format. Because this is an integrated lens projector, it brings the price point down significantly. In terms of K-12 education, this is perfect for cafetoriums, small theaters, staging applications, really anywhere where you need a bright image in a large space, and available at affordable price points. This is also available in a 7800 lumen and 8800 lumen platform, and we just launched a 4K platform in this chassis as well. Over to your right, we're displaying our new N-Series professional displays. These are available in 4 sizes, 65, 75, 86-inch, and 98-inch diagonal. These are perfect for your public spaces. They're also quite applicable to classroom where you don't need interactivity, but really public spaces like your entryways. And both the non-interactive and the interactive panels couple with our OMS, Optoma Management Suite, which is a cloud-based platform allowing the administrators to control, manage, diagnose all the displays. It's compatible with our non-interactive displays, our projectors, and the interactive panels. The main benefits that we get asked about the most with OMS are the broadcast messaging. You can push, or the system administrators can push full screen images out to the boards. This can be scheduled or done real time. You can also send scrolling text tickers across the screen. Thanks for stopping by. For more information, visit us online at optomausa.com.